Hi guys, welcome to your video notes on what is a thesis. Let's find out and get started. So a thesis statement is a statement to be proven or supported with evidence, either in some kind of written project or in an oral presentation. The thesis, since it's the statement to be proven during the writing or the presentation, usually comes at the beginning. You can often find them in your introduction paragraphs or introduction opening. Let's look at an example. Let's say your teacher asked you to write an essay on what kids can do to be successful in school. An example thesis statement might read, to be successful in school, a student should focus in class, complete assignments, and study. If this was your thesis statement, your body paragraphs would be about the 3 ways to be successful. Focus in class, complete assignments, and study. Let's take a look at what that would look like. Body paragraph 1's topic was focus in class. Details that could come in that paragraph would be about taking notes and asking questions of your teacher. Remember that the second thing listed in our thesis was complete assignments. So our second body paragraph would be about completing assignments. Details that we could put in there would be highlighting instructions and using notes for help. The third thing in our example thesis was studying. So our third body paragraph would be about studying, such as making flashcards or avoid cramming. Your body paragraph orders and topics match the topics listed in your thesis. Let's take a look at another example. This time, your teachers asked you to write a written response or possibly give a presentation as to why S.E. Hinton was or was not a good writer. This student wrote, S.E. Hinton was a brilliant writer because she based her books on real life and her books teach valuable life lessons. How many body paragraphs should this student have based on this thesis? If you said 2, you're right. This thesis lists 2 ways that S.E. Hinton is a brilliant writer. 1, she based her books on real life, and 2, her books teach valuable life lessons. A body paragraph in a written outline for this thesis would look like this. Body paragraph 1, based on real life. Remember, that was listed first in the thesis, so it goes first. Details that might support in that paragraph would be she used events from her own high school. She used her hometown movie theater as a scene in the book The Outsiders. These details would support the main idea of body paragraph 1, that she based her books on real life. Remember, the second thing in the thesis was that her books teach valuable life lessons. So body paragraph number 2 would be about teaching valuable life lessons. Things that we might say here are, like in The Outsiders, for example, you should put your family first, and you should stay true to who you are. Again, putting it in the same order that was listed in the thesis. Let's review. Can you answer the question, what is a thesis? Could you write one? Remember, a thesis is a statement to be proven or supported with evidence. Examples would be, to be successful in school, a student should focus in class, complete assignments, and study. Another example, S.E. Hinton was a brilliant writer because she based her books on real life and her books teach valuable life lessons. Make sure that your body paragraphs follow the same order as your thesis statement and are supported by evidence that ultimately go back to prove the written thesis. Go out there and write some great thesis.